Hey guys, what's up? This is my 2013 Sunday Primer bike, and it's just a little bike check. For the grips, I have the Odyssey Aaron Ross grips. I mean, they're not the greatest, but they're alright. I mean, I'm getting Colt Vans grips, so. Bars, I have the Triumph XL bars, replicas, stem, Sunday free stem. The frame is just the Sunday Primer 2013 frame. Seat is the Odyssey Gary Young pivotal seat, principal seat. Never buy it. It's terrible. It's like sandpaper. I mean, it's terrible. Forks. I'm honestly not sure. They're just stock forks. Tire. It's like a Duro tire. I'm getting the Chase Hawk tires though. Stock front hub. Stock. And I think this is an Odyssey rim right here. Odyssey twisted PCs. Cranks. I don't know. Stock. Sunday Sabertooth. Chain wheel and KMC chain. Back tire, like I said. I think it's a Duro actually. Back hub. It might be an Odyssey back hub. I'm not exactly sure, but Odyssey back rim. And yeah. Recommendations. Like, I really like this stem right here. It's not bad. The headset, I don't even know. Like, I mean, it's decent. I'd rather have a premium or an animal. But yeah. And sorry if my voice is weird. It's really cold outside, and yeah. So that's my bike check. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, stay tuned for more.